Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Hama 7020 watch, and today I'm going to show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop touching the screen or pressing any buttons on your watch. So let's get started. First we need to wake up the screen, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Then press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called display and brightness and select it. And here you will see this option called rise to wake. Rise to wake, my bad, screen on time, right here. Once you find the screen on time, tap on it. And here we can scroll through the list of durations, and it goes from 5 seconds up to 20 seconds. So select something you like. I recommend something in the ballpark of 10 seconds, and that's the nice middle spot. Anything below is too short for me, and anything above 10 seconds will be using more battery life on your watch. So that's one of the drawbacks. Basically, if you select longer screen on time, it will use more battery life because the screen will stay on for much longer. If you're willing to sacrifice this battery, you can select something very long, like 20 seconds. And if you don't want to sacrifice as much, I recommend something like 10 seconds or maybe 8. For me, at least 5 seconds is too short, the default one. But you can select whatever you like and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now once you select it, you can press the upper button to go back to home screen, and now my screen should turn off after 10 seconds of an activity. So if I won't touch the screen or buttons for 10 seconds, it will turn off to save the power like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.